There's been a lot of interest here in Strasbourg this week in political developments in Wales and the UK, and in the discussions that we've been having too. And one of those, of course, is the proposal to spend £100 billion on Trident nuclear weapons, weapons of mass destruction. I've been involved in the peace movement all of my political life. In fact, I became active in the peace movement the same time as I became active in Plaid Cymru. And I chaired CND, the Campaign for Nuclear Disarmament in Wales, for 10 years. And I know too that what people are most concerned about is the health service. It's about healthcare being available for them, their family, their friends and their communities, and also for opportunities for people to work, to develop the very best skills in our health service. And that £100 billion that's being proposed for nuclear weapons could provide us with 150,000 new nurses. Think of what a difference that would make to our health service. That's the kind of debate that we are having. Those are the kind of choices that face us now. I know what I would choose. I would choose health over nuclear weapons. Nurses, not nuclear weapons. Nurses, not Trident.